Okay, before it gets any colder, let's show you how to make the cute little penguin guy for our take and make kit. So first off, we start with an empty plastic bottle, and then as you can see, this is the top of his hat once you paint it, and we use a second bottle for the bottom of his feet. So simple way to cut is just decide approximately where you want to cut. I believe I cut approximately here, and I used an X-acto knife. Go ahead and start it with the X-acto knife, and if you're not comfortable using an X-acto knife, then once you have punctured it, then you can go through with the scissors and finish cutting around. I also trimmed it up just to even it up a little bit because I wasn't completely straight. So no worries there. So now you've cut your penguin in two. So here is either the base or his hat, which I'm going to even up once I have the scissors. On this side, you can either go ahead and recycle it, or you can turn it into, cut out a butterfly and then color it with markers for a stained glass effect. Or if you cut the circles out, you can use it to make some really cute yarn wrapped bangle bracelets. So provided that all goes well, some of you will find in your take and make kits for the holiday ornament series something to make some really adorable little penguins. Now if you're going to want to put them outside for a little while, you'll want to put some sand or rocks or something heavy inside before you seal the two pieces of the bottle. But for the little hats, which you'll be mostly painting, it looks super cute to put a little pom-pom on top. So how do you make a teeny tiny pom-pom? I know that we've gone over how to make big pom-poms for the Oscar the Grouch craft and also for the bunnies stuck in the planters, but how do you make a tiny one? It is just as easy. So first, take your yarn, but instead of wrapping it around something large or all four fingers, I went ahead and did 2 to 3 and then just wrap the yarn around until it is really poofy. And then you will, same as usual, you'll take and you'll cut a tail. You'll wrap way more than this because you want it poofy. So then you will cut a little bit of your tail, wrap it around, tie it tight and pull it, and then you will cut the little loops and then just shave them around so that it's a nice round poofy ball. Okay, my penguin's getting really cold. So really quickly, you will glue the two pieces of the bottle together, and that's why the scarf goes right here. It's because you'll see once you do this that there's going to be a little bit of a seam there with your hot glue, but he loves to wear his scarf and it keeps him much warmer in this cold Nebraska weather. So we have the little pom-pom for the top, make his beak out of a little bit of felt, and I just left it single piece there and rounded it a little bit, and the rest is paint. So as you can see, we painted around in white, and then I painted everything else in black, a little black with a dot of white for the eyes, and then I used 2 contrasting colors for the hat, one color for the brim, one color for the rest of the hat. And then I even did saw that on Pinterest, where you can just paint some cute little accents on it. And then I glued his pom-pom on top, and he's ready to go. So he makes winter a little bit more fun.